afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
My name is Neil Sarvate.
I am Sudhan Lala.
Today we are going to discuss about the antenna. Tech Antenna Trainer ST2261 is a student-friendly trainer kit for studying characteristics of different antennas. The trainer is designed so that students can take the readings and plot the polar plots themselves, thus understanding the subject thoroughly. They can even stop and repeat the readings in between if needed. All the antennas are made by high conducting rods with chrome finish for long durability and mounted on the glass epoxy PCB for easy mounting and dismounting.
Directional coupler. This allows separate metering of power flowing in the forward direction generator to antenna and the reverse direction antenna to generator. This is used during the experiments and aid to match the generator to the load and as means to measure the standing wave ratio in transmission line to the antennas. So now we will discuss about the features of the antenna trainer kit. Antenna trainer kit is self-contained, simple and student-friendly trainer. It is a low-cost trainer kit. Onboard RF and tone generators, so we don't need to connect extra RF and tone generators. Onboard antenna matching stub, so we can measure the input and we can match the input and output impedance. Transmitting and receiving levels observed on built-in meters. Built-in DC power supply. Fully documented student workbook, operating manual and polar charts with each trainer. Textbook named Antenna by J. Cross with each trainer. Compact design and lightweight.
Now we are going to discuss about the technical specifications of the antenna trainer kit. First is the RF generator. It is 750 MHz approximately, onboard adjustable with level display. The tone generator is of 1 kHz approximately, on board with level adjust for modulation. Directional coupler has both the options forward and reverse onboard selectable. Matching stub is slide stub kind of. Antenna rotation, that is the 0 to 360 degrees, resolution is 1 degree. Receiving antenna is a folded dipole with reflector.
Tone generator. This provides amplitude adjustable sine wave approximately of 2 volt peak to peak and 1 kHz for modulation of the RF generator.
Now we are going to discuss about an important component in antenna trainer kit, that is the RF generator. RF generator delivers a test signal to feed the antennas under test. The RF generator operates at a frequency of 750 MHz approximately. The reason being reduced size for antennas. The higher is the frequency, the smaller is the size of the antennas and the size of the trainer as a whole. This gives the advantage of handiest operation of the system on a test desk of a school laboratory. The RF generator features the following. First, knob adjustable output power level. Second, facilities to match different loads. Third, modulating input AM, which can be used with the onboard tone generator. Fourth, compatibility to stand indefinitely even heavily mismatched output.
Directional coupler. This allows separate metering of power flowing in the forward direction generator to antenna and the reverse direction antenna to generator. This is used during the experiments and aid to match the generator to the load and as means to measure the standing wave ratio in transmission line to the antennas.
Matching stub. This is a trunk of the transmission line built on a PCB provided with a slide cursor shortening the line at presettable length from the other end. Input.
Goniometer. This is a circular scale graduated in 360 degrees. At the center of this is located a BNC female connector leading the RF powder to the antenna mast and acts as pivot for the antenna mast. The base of the mast has a reference index mark matching the goniometer scale. The antenna scale starts from 0 degrees.
Detector assembly. This is being used to detect and measure the radiation pattern of the antennas under study. The features of detector are the following. First, it has completely passive instruments. Second, no batteries are required, thus simplifying use and maintenance of the unit. Third, possibility of handheld use for rough and quick exploration of radiation patterns or mounted on a base stand for precise orientation and steady measurement results. Fifth, folded dipole as receiving antenna provided with reflector to reduce possible disturbance to the measurements due to reflection of waves from objects and laboratory walls behind the detector. Detector assembly mast receiver. This unit is for mounting the detector assembly. Proceed as follows. First, place the square base plate on the table. Second, hold the plastic mast and place it over the central pillar of the base. Then align the fixing holes and place the screw and fix with the wing nut. The detector assembly can be mounted from the top of the mast and tightened with round shaped tightening bolt with the hand. The detector assembly has the provision to be mounted so that the receiving antenna is either in the horizontal plane or vertical plane. Now we can detect and we can find the radiation patterns and the diagrams of all the other antennas also using this trainer kit that we have just demonstrated over here. We also hope that this video was very useful for the students that are going to use the trainer kit of the antenna, and it will be very useful for them and easy for them. Thank you.